The day when I got detention for threatening a student with dark magic. So in 9th grade, I got detention for threatening a student with dark magic, which sounds bad, but hear me out. There's this kid in my class, Kyle, who kept poking me with his stupid mechanical pencil every single day during math. Now, I told him to stop like 10 times, but Kyle is the human equivalent of a microwave beep that won't shut up. So one day I snap. I turn around dramatically and say, "If you do that one more time, I'll summon a demon to haunt your dreams." Now obviously I was joking. I had a sock puppet on my hand when I said it. But Kyle's the kind of kid who thinks Wi-Fi is made of ghosts. So this man goes to the teacher shaking, saying I put a curse on him. I laugh. Teacher does not laugh. She sends me to the principal. Principal asks, "Did you threaten Kyle with demonic activity?" I say, "Technically no, I promised one." Next thing I know, they call my mom and say I need to speak with the school counselor about occult behavior. Meanwhile, Kyle is in the nurse's office crying because he says he felt a cold wind after I glared at him. To make it worse, Gooning walks by in the hallway and yells, "Bro, summon a whole demon over a pencil." And that's how I ended up on a 2-week behavior watch list for accidentally LARPing as a warlock. Would I do it again? Yeah, but this time I'd go full costume. Smoke machine and everything.